What if I told you that buying things is not the main function of money? A lot of people think shopping, buying things is the main function of money. But there are four main functions of money. Understanding these four functions of money helps us in understanding the importance of money in our daily lives and in our economy. Remember, understanding money is very vital in this our journey to understanding cryptocurrency. So let's get started. What are these four main functions of money? The first is money serves as a medium of exchange. This simply means we can use money for the buying and exchange of goods and services. Remember in our previous lesson, we spoke about the barter system, and we said before money was created, the barter system was the main medium of exchange. And we said in the barter system, goods were being exchanged for goods. For more details, you can look back on this channel. You can verify. You can go back on our previous lectures and you will get more details about the barter system. So, the second main function of money is money serves as a unit of account. What does it mean? Money serving as a unit of account means money helps us to measure and compare the value of two different goods and services. The third is money serves as a store of value. That means you can save money today and use that money tomorrow. As long as money maintains its value, that money can be safe and you use it tomorrow. And finally, money serves as a standard of deferred payment. What does it mean? Money serving as a standard of deferred payment means it can be used to pay debt in future. You can borrow money today and you pay it back in the future. So I hope you learned something from today's lesson. If you do, please, you like, you subscribe, you share, you invite friends and family, because we are just getting started. On our next lesson, we are going to be talking about the types of money. We are going to be talking about the types of money and how money has evolved over the past decades. I bet you wouldn't want to be left out. There is a lot to be offered here on this channel. Please follow along and I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay blessed.